Hello, how to evaluate this with our calculator? This is 3 divided by 2 raised to the power of 3 divided by 2. Now, we can have this as 3 divided by 2 raised to the power of, this is 3 divided by 2. I can express it as summation of 2 plus 1 divided by 2, because 2 plus 1 is 3, and we have this divided by 2, which also means I can express this as 3 divided by 2 raised to the power of 2 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. Using that, I'm just dividing each of the terms here by the common denominator, which is 2. So from here, I'll simply have 3 divided by 2 raised to the power of 2 divided by 2 is 1. I have 1 plus 1 divided by 2. Now, if I have a power n plus m, so this equals a power n times a power m. So from here, we have 3 divided by 2 raised to the power of 1 times 3 divided by 2 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Now we just apply this identity here. We have 3 divided by 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2. So we have it this way, making use of this identity. So from here, we have 3 divided by 2, because when you raise it to the power of 1, you have the same thing, times 3 divided by 2, and this is raised to the power of 1 over 2. Right now, if you have a power 1 over 2, this is just like writing square root of a. So applying that here, we are going to have 3 divided by 2 times square root of 3 divided by 2. Just apply this right here. Now also, if you have square root of a divided by b, this equals square root of a divided by square root of b. So, applying that identity here, we will simply have 3 over 2 times, this is square root of 3 divided by square root of 2. So from here, we are going to multiply this numerator 3 times root 3. So this is 3 root 3 divided by 2 times root 2. This is 2 root 2. Now we can decide to rationalize this denominator by multiplying this by root 2 divided by root 2. So from here, we simply have 3 root 3 times root 2, you have root 6 divided by 2 root 2 times root 2, you have root 4. And from here, we have 3 root 6 divided by 2 times root 4 is 2. So from here, we simply have 3 root 6 divided by 2 times 2, we have 4. So this becomes our answer. Now, the next thing we are going to do will be to evaluate this using another technique. We use another method. So we simply have 3 divided by 2 raised to the power of 3 divided by 2. Now, let's start it this way. Remember, if you have a divided by b raised to the power of 1 over 2, this will simply give you square root of a divided by b. So, applying this identity here, I will have square root of 3 divided by 2. And what this means is that we are going to raise this to the power of 3. Remember, there's 3 here. So in this case, you raise it to the power of 1 because we have 1 here, the numerator. Okay, from here we can proceed. If you have square root of a divided by b. This equals square root of a divided by square root of b. So this will give us square root of 3 divided by square root of 2 raised to the power of 3. And if you also have a divided by b raised to the power of c, this equals a power c divided by b power c. So applying this identity right here, that means we are going to have root 3 raised to the power of 3 divided by root 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 3 here as well. So from here, we need to find the value of root 3 power 3, which is root 3 times root 3 times root 3 divided by, for this, we have root 2 times root 2 times root 2. So from here we have root 3 times root 3, that is root 9 times root 3, divided by root 2 times root 2, that is root 4 times root 2. And from here we have root 9 is 3, then we have 3 root 3, divided by root 4 is 2, then we have 2 root 2. So from here, we are going to have 3 root 3, 3 times root 3, this is 3 root 3, divided by 2 times root 2, this is 2 root 2. And we can rationalize this by multiplying this with this root 2 we have, and also we divide it by the same root 2. So from here, we are going to have 3 root 3 times root 2, we have root 6 divided by 2, root 2 times root 2, we have root 4. And from here, remember this multiplication here, we can have 3 root 6 divided by 2 times root 4 is 2. And this will give us 3 root 6 divided by 2 times 2, we have 4. So in any of the methods that you want to use, you are going to have the same solution, which is 3 root 6 divided by 4. Even in this other method, we have the same thing. So guys, this is how you can evaluate this without the use of calculator, step by step, depending on the method that you want to use. That's it. Thank you and goodbye.